Good morning, guys. Oh man, it's CJ again. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on. How are you? You good? Hey, my dogs loves me, guys. As you see me, I'm ready prepared for the land. So this is you see, hey, the boots are very big, very big, very big. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from, or you're watching this video from. It's early morning over here, and I give much thanks to Almighty God for these amazing blessings and for a fine, amazing day. So this day today is a super special. Make sure you subscribe. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and of course, if you subscribe today, I really appreciate your love and support, because subscription really adds up the numbers, and then when you subscribe, we really get a very nice and special audience. So thank you so much for the returning subscribers for this day. And this day, when look, that's why I love our compound to have these a lot of trees. Look at those birds, are just flying from one place to another, up and down, you know. So this day today, look, even at these flowers, every morning I just come and say, hey, I think I'll plug this for my wife, special gift for her. Just like this. Some days when I'll be building, or some days when I'll build my home, I'll just plant a lot of flowers. I love flowers, guys. That's why you see we have this. I don't know if this is bougainvillea, but it's really a very special flower like this. Anyway, today is another special day, guys, and we'll be heading to the land, and we're going to harvest our watermelons. For those, I think I should put this way. Let me show you something. Those days back we used to put, no, it should be, how is it? Let me put it like this, like that. No, you know, now I don't know even where front is, because the camera is confusing me. The camera is really confusing me, like that. Today is a very special day because we are going to harvest our watermelons, and of course one of our loving subscriber really did a good job and said, Claude, I want to buy some from you, and I want you to do a special what we call like just on behalf of me, I want you to deliver these stuff somewhere. So of course it's not my very first time for me to do that, and of course if you are also willing to buy more and more, please, you're all welcome. My number is +254 758143105. You can get me on WhatsApp. Also, you can do a direct call, and also if you wish to support through Western Union, through MoneyGram, Sendwave, Lemitry, it will be very much. You are just supporting. That one actually motivates CJ to keep on doing more and more farming. Like now, this morning I want to water this. These are what we call like over 2,000 carrots or nantes. I don't know how you might call them. Over 2,000 nantes or carrots, and also over here we have over 1,000 what we call like pepper. It's called bell pepper, sweet pepper. This one, sweet pepper. So I saw a comment. No, don't do that. Come here, don't do that. Now this is the biggest challenge that I am facing, this kind of a dog. So you see it's going up, you know. Okay, so I saw somebody asking, are these the same sweet pepper that grows to red, yellow and green? No, these are green, yellow pepper. These are green, what we call like sweet pepper that I planted over here. But maybe some days I'll do what we call like plant a different one, like the yellow one, red one, and this one, so that we can be mixing slowly by slowly. Like I started with watermelon, and now I'm measuring. So we have what we call like already we have beetroots, we have carrots, we have watermelons at large, and we have sweet pepper, and more stuffs to come. Also we have maize. So let me introduce you my lovely wife right here again. Hey, you wanna say hi? Why are you hiding your face?
I've not washed my face
no,
today.
come on.
Guys, I can't show my face.
Let me give you the flower.
Okay.
Your flowers.
Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm feeling shy because I just woke up and I just decided to come here. I was supposed to wash my face, but I need to fetch some water there. So I saw this guy here,
And you came
lovely
to see.
man, who was shooting, and I was like, oh, maybe I need to help him hold the camera. So I ran here to hold the camera, but he has decided to show my face.
Okay.
Good morning, beautiful, amazing people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Claude Joseph. Kindly subscribe, like and share to like and share his videos. Yeah, so it's not to 1 million subscribers currently, so we are heading there. So, and I'm so happy and grateful for you supporting us all through, working with us, and just being there. It means a lot.
Are you ready to go to the land?
Well, yeah, I'm ready to go to the land. We have like to get around. I need like 24 melons.
All right.
24.
That's a very good.
So to deliver to the kids. Remember, we to the kids last time we were there. We promised we'll do something, and we are lucky we got someone to support us like that. And we are heading there today. But before we do all that, we have to take you through other things in the. Like right here yesterday, he planted some. He did a seedling, some carrots and what, capsicum.
Not capsicums, but some call them capsicums, but it's sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Yeah.
So I don't know what sweet pepper is, but
Pili pili hoho.
Is it? It's capsicum.
It's pili pili hoho called sweet pepper.
Oh, it's also called capsicum.
Yeah.
Another name. And I think we did the yellow ones and the red ones too.
They're very expensive, and also to maintain them. So it's just slowly.
I want to do.
I want to do what? Oh, sorry. I want to do what we call like a benchmark on this. Then later on, slowly by slowly, you check on how stuffs are.
Okay.
Then what we call like now deliver them. Slowly by slowly, but maintaining them are very expensive, so I have just to benchmark on this first, then later on I just try to expand slowly by slowly. Okay. And also the market, over here no people, maybe you can use it for home use.
I want to use it for my cooking videos.
All right,
definitely.
Maybe. So you wait for 3 months for them to grow.
No, like as it goes, like cooking doesn't stop.
Yeah, I know.
It continues. So like we will keep on, using. So I want to have them so that I don't have to go to Migori because they're not around here at the border town.
Yeah.
And actually that could be a good business idea because we don't have them around the border town. We can plant them and sell them to the supermarkets.
Yeah, maybe we can check and see because you have to see what people have been. We have to introduce them slowly by slowly because you can. That's what I'm telling you. It's slowly by slowly. You cannot introduce to people something that is new to them. They don't know what it is, and then you expect to earn more. So it's just to introduce them slowly by slowly.
I agree.
And then
I agree, but do you know content creators nowadays, especially the ones who are cooking, use those, and do you know they have to go to Kisii or Migori to find them? All right.
Yeah, I understand that.
So that's my point.
Okay, then guys. So let me try to water this and we'll see what's happening around.
I got a flower today. It's so pretty.
In the morning.
And I am giving it to you.
It's a loose flower.
Only if you can grab it. Grab it, people.
All right, guys. See you. Okay.
Is it a roof?
I have to confirm because the other time, guys, I gave her camera to shoot and she shoot nothing. So let me have to confirm if she's shooting again. So I have my jerry can and this one is a water can. So I usually fetch water from our borehole. We have a borehole here. And just like that, it's done. What do I have in here? Oh, it's okay. So this is a every morning exercise. Every morning. And this is how we fetch water. Just like that. Like that. Like that. Then so originally, even if it's raining, you have to do what we call like on the nursery bed. You have to water the seeds so that they can germinate. Maria is up.
I think she's been woken by Moraz sweeping.
All right.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm having this. Stop it down. Yeah, definitely now. That's how you see. So Let's just try and see. I don't know how many water can just go here, but waiting for a second. I expected rain to rain yesterday, but not. Just nada. You have to do some serious water. Serious water. Just have to add more water. Serious water. So I have to go bring more water again. You have to
So you'll do two here, two each side.
Yeah. So it's just you have to do what it's all like the water is serious because.
But I think it's still going to rain at some point.
Yeah. And if it's raining, that's the routine of agriculture. Just do what is necessary, morning and in the evening too. Okay. Just like that. So let's just water the other one. Slowly by slowly, let me add again water. Yeah. Okay guys, so we'll be heading to our dreamland for the grand harvest of our watermelon. So if you watch this video, please reach me out now and ask for the watermelon. Ask me for the watermelon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go. So it's time to go. Time to go.
See you, Maria.
So we're heading. This is home. Home. We are leaving home to the farm.
Yeah.
Hey, and our wooden gate, they call it the King's Gate. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the farm and
slowly by slowly in God's time.
I wish I carried the knife.
What for? Go get it.
Just go.
Okay.
Those things are very heavy. And, let's proceed and see what's happening. Guys, we're cruising to our land, and let's just go and harvest our watermelons. The remaining one I'll take them to the market. You see, I'll rather go harvest them all and put them on this car.
All of them?
Yeah, I'd rather do so, because if I leave them there, those people don't want to see good things. They just want to pick.
Anyway, guys, we're heading to the farm. And then now we'll see what goes on after there.
Okay, guys. See you to the farm.
Hey, today, how are you wearing a cape? You're wearing it like you come from somewhere.
In Muranga.
It's facing upwards. Guys, my Muranga people, you know. And especially
I'm a farmer.
I know, so farmers do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, when you're a farmer, a lot of things, you know, you have to put your cape this way, so that things cannot evaporate from your head.
Your brain does not evaporate.
Hey, so because there's a lot of things happening, a lot of
things. Like, guys, we have a lot of things to do. Like, oh my God.
So,
but we are grateful to God for this farm. And oh, did I tell you? They're trying to clear. I don't know whether they're clearing or they're cleaning it. Our compost, our dumping site. Sorry.
To mix it up down.
So it's because it has been a
bottom up
economy.
Yes, this bottom up.
And look at those big birds.
What
can you see them?
One officer.
Yeah, it's so big.
Twende Jude. Shambani. Utaki shamba.
Mkono inauma.
Haya. Boys don't want to go to the farm.
His arms are aching. His hands are aching, sorry. Yeah, so I know. But he's a hardworking boy.
Yeah.
Very hardworking.
Yeah, we always work with him.
Yeah, he's always ready to help.
Today is like, no, mkono inauma.
I think one day you should, instead of calling him to the farm, you need to call him for a treat. Like, yo, let me take you to Migori. Go have some food.
Let's go for
a drink or a picnic or something nice. Because
he's trying, man.
Every time he's like, oh my God. He works so hard. I like him.
Yeah, let's move now and see what's happening.
Okay.
And we check.
Okay. I don't care what the other people say. This is that song by P-Square. Because I don't care. Da, 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 da. I don't know how it goes. I forgot, but I know the tune. Yeah.
Seems like somebody was at my farm.
Seems like it.
Let me check.
Is it opening? Finally. Woo! Ooh la la. Look at our road, guys. Beautiful. Can I come in, sir? Is this your farm?
So I wish this guy, when they were doing what we call like what they were, you know, they came very early. They came very early. So I was, my idea was we need to just make a, how do you call it, a small furrow. Just goes this way to the other side. Because when it rains, this one will come this way.
And actually, I was thinking it would have been better the other side, the furrow, so that water can move on along that side instead of coming down here.
So, but anyway, let's wait.
We are grateful, and hopefully they're around. We can tell them that.
But this means that they came very early.
Yeah.
maybe they're going somewhere else,
Yeah.
you know.
So guys, our we have a main road here,
Yeah.
which is a good thing. So it means the lands around this place are accessible,
Yeah.
and this is a government road. It will go to the border town straight. So in future, if it gets tarmacked, we won't have to go round and round. It will take us like even 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. We are at the border town.
At the border town.
Yeah, so
Alright, guys, we are here.
quite
and,
impressive.
let's do what we call like have the harvest, but I have to call my my fellow farmer.
My fellow farmer.
Yeah, so that I can see what's happening.
Harvest time.
And also she's my co-farmer.
Fellow farmer and co-farmer. Which is which?
No, fellow farmer and co-farmer. Co-farmer is where we are together.
In a farm.
Yeah. And fellow farmer means that I can farm here and I can come
Oh
back.
my god, the explanation is hilarious.
Alright guys, alright. Let's
Okay.
go and see, okay?
Okay.
Guys, so we're pulling up the socks. Let's go to the farm. They say pull up your socks. Let me not pull up the socks. So just harvesting. You see, like this one got spoiled. This one got spoiled over here. So let me try to harvest some.
Are you sure it's not good? Part of it is not good?
But that one has already get spoiled. So like this one, it's okay.
Oh, there's something biting me.
What's biting you? Good morning, farm.
Hey, did you step on insects? On
Maybe you're on small insects. Just come and see. You know the good thing with this that you detach them. You do detaching.
you do what you call detaching.
Yeah, so like this, you detach. We have another one which is bigger. These are bigger animals.
Hey, don't break it.
Bigger animals. Yeah.
Don't you break it, sir.
Have this one over here.
Don't you break them, sir.
I won't. Oh.
Uh-oh.
This one just got detached on its own. Alright. Come in and look.
Are we counting?
Yeah. Oh man. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Let me harvest this bigger. 11. 11, 12. So I'm just harvesting the bigger one. You already harvested it. So you see like
Oh my
this.
God.
Just check on them. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la, humongous.
Huh? Smugglers?
Mm-hmm.
See like this one got spoiled.
Are you sure it's not good inside?
This is not good inside.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I get it now.
Yeah. So it's not 12. But there's this brand. Actually I call it a brand, but I don't know what
Like a different species.
yeah.
What's the difference?
I just have to harvest this. This one I take it home.
Oh, it even has a different pattern.
Yeah, it has a different pattern. So guys, we are harvesting watermelons. Please kindly come and have yours right now today. So we have like this. This one is have a different pattern. So check how they are. Look at this.
Okay. Let me call a friend of mine and see if she'll get some.
Okay. The farmer at his best. So those are already 5 in there. Let's these things are heavy, you cannot carry 4 of them. So it's the farmer at his best. Let's walk.
That guy appearing with CJ from there is one of the most hilarious people in the village. So he's very humorous. He's very funny. So they're coming to help. They, I like him. He's very funny. He's a very funny guy. It's taking him down. Another one is Enrico. They're helping.
So guys, we are at it's Skydar's land, and he's over there. If he's ever there, trying to select the best, what is the best. So this is, hey man, you shaved like a wild bird, bro.
Yesterday I told you that I'm going to shave so that at least I can be young. So I look like kinda young.
You look like kinda young, eh?
Anyway, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome back to CJ's channel.
Yeah.
My name is Emmanuel, and that is Emmanuel's Farm on YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah, so today we are here in the watermelon. Yeah. I think you saw how we are struggling with the sun, planting, weeding, everything.
Yes.
Applying chemicals. But now this is our time of harvesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are here today trying to just remove the ones that you're seeing they are ready to be harvested.
Yeah.
And we see what is next.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
So we are here, guys. This is Skydar, but for now he has Emmanuel's farm.
Emmanuel's farm.
Yeah, so we're trying to harvest a little. We see what we can, and then we can now come and finalize, because you see also neighbors are a lot here. So we can't just have to harvest it all the way that they can take them out, man.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
so. That's Babu's what we call like Emmanuel's farm's watermelon. Those are 2. Those are 2, 4, 6. Yeah. So weka tu hapo ndani.
Salimia mama.
Yeah. So now these are going to the orphanage at it's Skydar's. Yeah. It's Skydar's. You know.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have to take 12 from him and 12 from me. So this is Skydar's fresh watermelons from him. Also over here I have to deliver for, you know, yeah, and also 12 from me. One will be 24 for the water for the orphanage, actually, you know. And now I have to add. She's tired.
Yeah,
Look at they are heavy. You are sweating. Seriously?
Yeah, they are heavy.
Okay.
And I'm not used to doing hard work.
Hey.
You know, I'm a very soft girl.
Yeah, soft girl.
Very soft lady.
So, and this is Kumi. It's Skydar's 12 watermelons to the orphanage. Very nice. Here, arengeri. So, mautaka toka tambra kiomon. Ora kogitumbe hara. Kogitumbe hara mora. To kogitumbe mbare hara. Oh, delta 13. So this one, so you see now.
This one you can see there is a problem.
Yeah, there's a problem. Yeah. So let's wait and see. And see how it is. It's Skydar.
Yes, guys, here we are today.
Yes.
And the good thing, you can see the road connected to a farm.
Very just
It's now
immediate.
good. Yeah, we don't have stagnant water over there. I know this place have been very bad.
Yeah, the other side.
Yeah, we've been having stagnant water, some potholes there, but it's levelized.
It's
So I
levelized.
think they should come and do some
Furrows.
furrows at
Yeah.
the sides of the road,
Absolutely.
so that at least the water can have some drainage.
Yeah. Let's wait and see, guys. The guy is full of melon. Let's wait and see. Skyder. You know, people know you by the name it's Skyder. So you also got yourself one.
But this one I want to talk to my family.
Eh,
I have a
to-
family also.
So man, what's your take for that, bro?
That's
Money has gone in.
Yeah, someone is calling.
Okay. So how do you feel now after getting some choms a little
Guys,
bit?
I
Yeah.
really appreciate.
Yes.
Yeah, this is, you know, when you plant something
Yes.
and you harvest and get something, that is the joy of a farm.
Absolutely, man. So also,
So I
mom.
appreciate.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah.
And whatever place this came from,
Yeah.
let it get back.
Absolutely, man. Yeah. So it's Skyder. So we have been farming with him. So also one subscriber said we have to buy 24 watermelons, 12 from me and 12 from him, so that we can deliver to the orphanage. So I'm so much grateful for your support. Actually, you're the first customer from international first customer.
Sure.
I told you we'll be doing it internationally.
Internationally. There it goes.
Yeah, here it goes. So
And we're going to do more.
we are going to do more. So hopefully now, because people have seen that we have been we have harvested, hopefully they won't come and steal again, because at least we have gotten this, even if it's small for us, it's big. Because there are those who come and steal, and they steal the bigger watermelons. But for now, at least we have gotten something that really motivates us. Let me leave you, because I know you're going for another farming.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank
We'll
you.
meet later.
All right, man. Yo, so it's a direct drive to the home. Yeah. So delivery boy. Let's go.
The delivery boy.
Yeah. I'm happy actually. You know, when I'm doing this,
How do you feel?
I feel very much okay. I feel very much okay. Yeah, so we are heading and we see how it will be. Alright, guys. We are delivering goods. And yeah, so now we are heading to deliver the first big harvest to the orphanage. That's how it is. Ooh-wee. Hey. The car is bouncing. Yeah, let's say that.
Bouncy.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, that's the orphanage from afar. So it has a very nice view from this end. So let's go there slowly by slowly, and we see how it is. Just pole. Yeah. Easy peasy. Yeah, so guys, we are here, and with wife and also with friends. Yeah,
Friend to keep.
friend to keep. Yeah, so
Yeah.
over here we have a lot. We have over here some watermelons, and some
Wanipige
also are there
kama
in
like
the chair.
5 minutes.
Some are there in the chair. So definitely, I think we should transfer them to this side.
So that when the kids bring.
It can be very easy for them. To carry. This was the addition from Nani. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Today. So just like that, we will call the kids, because the car cannot go in.
Reason being they
Yeah.
dug the road, so the car cannot
get in.
they cannot force it to go in. Yeah. So let's go in and see what's happening. Okay?
Okay. Can I wait here for?
Yeah, let me call kids.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm with Mama Esther.
Hello. Yeah, here we are. We've remembered you again. Yeah. Yeah.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you.
You are in my heart. Every time when I'm praying, I remember you. There was a time I was dreaming your car is like a ship. You are helping us to cross the ocean. That night I was dreaming this car was like a boat, a big boat. You are helping us to cross the ocean. And you are carrying me.
Oh, imetosha. So
And I say,
also let the kids come. So when they have gone, wanaenda kama watoto wangapi?
how they were.
So all of them, they are 28.
There are 28. All
Yeah,
of them.
all
So
of
we
them.
have to add some.
Yeah.
So because we have to add more 4.
Or more for.
Yeah. So there were 24.
Yeah.
But we had to add also more.
Oh,
There
okay.
are 20. There are 28.
So, oh, okay.
28, yeah.
Thank you so much, so much.
Yeah, so there are 28. You can go have fun, enjoy in our
For
total.
sure.
Yeah, so that at least they feel good.
You don't know what I'm feeling. I raised a lot of boys like this one.
Mm-hmm.
And after they finish the school, they have never come back. I have raised already 189 kids.
Mm-hmm.
They have never even remembered.
Inviting me, oh.
Sorry.
So when you are coming here, something is touching my heart that God has replaced
Mm-hmm.
those kids.
Yeah.
With the kids that they are coming here just to stand with us. That's what I'm feeling. I was feeling like I'm a loser.
No, you cannot be a loser.
Yeah.
The insects down here, I think.
Yeah. But now you are touching my heart so deep and even you are healing me.
No, it's
That's
okay.
what I can say.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
So a friend of ours decided to surprise you with watermelons.
Yes.
And she said, like, now since you're harvesting, can you take to Mama watermelons and the children? And she was like, I want you to take 24 of them. So we've added 4 on top. So yeah, I hope you guys can, so that they can be enough.
Choice. You are going to be so happy.
Yeah.
It's like a celebration today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just came from, so to say this, from the police station. I need to hear defile the girl.
You feel the girl?
Oh no.
Wow. So that's bad.
Yeah.
Mnapeleka mkirudi mnakuja mbio bwana.
Just run away.
They ran away.
The guy is here. He just went
How old?
through the. He's senior.
Yote wewe enda na moja, enda na moja.
imba tusikie. Haya. Leo tuwafunze wimbo. Lakini kabla niwafunze wimbo, kwa majina naitwa Claude Joseph. Claude Joseph. You can find me on YouTube anywhere, search Claude Joseph. Pata Claude Joseph. Na hata ningependa wengine wenu wataitwa Claude Joseph, wengine watakikuja pia ni Claude Joseph. Unanijua kama? Kama nani? Sawa, mimi nawaombea sana Mungu awabariki, na nyinyi ni mandugu zetu, dada zetu, na wengi pia ni watoto wetu humu. Tunashukuru sana. Mungu awabariki, na nilijaribu hii nimelima. Wow. Hii nimelima peke yangu. Sasa unaweza makofi. Kwa sababu mimi ni mkulima, nikasema pia mandugu zetu na dada zetu wanafaa kula hii. Sasa facilitatiwa hii na one of our subscribers, na akasema nataka pia watoto wangu wakule matunda, because a fruit keeps you away from a doctor. Si ndio? If you eat this every single day, your skin will nourish, you will feel better, na utasikia tena unaumwa hata mwili hata joint. So nikasema today, may you also have this fruit. Wanasema hii si ile Adam, hii ni matunda yenye Mungu mwenyewe alisema wa binadamu tukule. Sawa? Yeah, so these are called watermelons, and I really love also to produce more and more and more. Maybe even vegetables. I'm a farmer, by the way. Vegetables, fruits, anything that will be on my land, I'll also be sharing with you. Asanteni sana.